Let's understand the group by in easiest way.
So today we will see another question, that is, this is will clearly explain you the group by concept. So the question is, what is the total sales in each city? So we have been given a sales table. Okay, if I execute this, we have been given a sales table which has order ID, order date, cities, category, and amount. For example, order ID 103, on this order date, Mumbai city for electronics, 800 rupees was sold. Okay, so now what is the total sales in each city? Means in Delhi how much sell, in Mumbai how much sell, not date wise or anything, just purely in this city how much sales in 3 days, 4 days, whichever day sale has happened. So what you can do is you can just select from the table, from sales orders, then you can select what you need, select city, and you need amount of total sale, that is sum of amount column, right? Because 1200 is one amount, if you sum it will be total of this, so this will be as total sales. And then we have to group by city, and group by which column will come, that is non-aggregate column, that is city. Aggregate column is sum is aggregate function. Okay, so now if you see, the final response will be, in Delhi total sales was 3000, in Mumbai total sales was 3050, and Pune 2600. Now we'll understand this with the SQL flow for better understanding. So you will be given a table like this. Okay, this is your sales orders table. In this table you apply the group by city, so you're going to create the groups of cities. So now this table will be divided in chunks, like this is a day for Delhi, this is for Mumbai, and this is for Pune. So all Delhi records will be in one chunk, all Mumbai records will be one chunk, and all Pune records will be in one chunk. Now once you have the grouping done, you're going to select city and sum of amount. So let's first select the city and amount. So to calculate this, we'll bring city column and we'll bring amount column. So we brought here city column and amount column. Now we know each of this is chunked in the city. So for Delhi, how we'll calculate the city and sum of amount? So Delhi, obviously city will be Delhi, so all this for Delhi is common, so Delhi will come here. Now for sum of amount, we know the amount for each, like there are 5 entries for Delhi and we know each one have amount. Now sum of this, we have to sum this completely, right, for Delhi. So okay, let me write here the sum function. So first value, next value, next value, next value, and last value. All this value will be summed and it becomes 3000. So for Delhi, 3000 is the total sales. Similarly for Mumbai, we can calculate the sum of 800 plus 450 plus 900 plus 1100. Then for Pune also we can calculate similarly, 700, 1500, 400, and then it's 2600. So the total sales done in each city is this much. How we calculated, I hope you understood the flow. It's a similar value which is coming here, right? Just to recap, we had a table, we did a group by on city. So city records got chunked, like Delhi records will come together, Mumbai records will come together, and Pune records will come together. On this we have to find city and sum of the amount. So we'll just take those two columns, city and amount here, and then city, all this is common, so this city will come here once, amount are different here right now, so all this amount will be summed up into one. That's how the final aggregate, because sum of amount is aggregate column, so this will have one value, sum, mean, max, these all things will give you one final value. So for that one final value we need one row of city. So Delhi is the city, this is the amount. Similarly Mumbai is the city, and all this summed as amount. Pune is the city, all this summed as amount. I hope you have clearly understood this with this diagram. So each chunk is getting summed and put it into final answer as output.